1924. The small town of Chamonix became the birthplace of something extraordinary. The very first Winter Olympic Games. It wasn't the grand spectacle we know today. Back then, it was just 16 events across 6 sports with 16 countries participating. No flashy stadiums, no massive TV audiences, just raw passion and the love of winter sports. Norway and Finland dominated the medal table, but the games were about more than winning. They were about laying the foundation for a global tradition that would inspire millions for generations to come. What's wild is how far we've come, from those humble beginnings in Chamonix to the worldwide celebration it is today. The Winter Olympics have become a stage for resilience, excellence, and unity. Let me ask you a question. And I know you're probably going to say the Jamaican bobsled team, but other than that, what's your favorite Winter Olympic moment? Let me know below, and as we celebrate the roots of this incredible journey, I want you to keep on pushing.